Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to make a super easy, amazing banana bread. For today's recipe, I am using 3 large bananas, 2 cups or 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of granulated white sugar, 1 cup or 113 grams of pecans, a half a cup or 114 grams of melted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon or 1 gram of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons or 7 grams of baking soda, and our last ingredient, a half a teaspoon or 2 grams of salt. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. Into my flour, I'm going to add in my cinnamon, my salt, and my baking soda. And we'll just stir that up. This is just going to make everything much quicker. Let's get all of that nicely mixed. That's good. And on to our next step. Before we start the recipe, I wanted to just weigh these so we know where we stand with the weight of the bananas, and I am at 584 grams. Into my large bowl, I have placed my 3 bananas. I'm going to add in all of my sugar and all of my butter. And I am using salted butter. I do like adding a little bit of extra salt to my recipes. If you don't want to use salted, you can use unsalted butter. And then I'm just going to get both eggs in. That's good. And my vanilla. And I am using pure vanilla extract. I'm going to use the paddle attachment. We'll get that on my mixer. Close this down. Turn the mixer on, and we'll get this going. Speed number 1. If you want information about this stand mixer, this is the KRAFTSMAN KM50, and I'll put information about it down underneath the video in the description box. I'm going to turn it up, get it going a little bit. Just want to get all of this nicely incorporated. Okay, that's good. It's about a minute of mixing. And then I'm going to get in all of our flour mixture and our pecans. Close down the mixer. Speed number 1, a very slow mix now. We do not want to overmix this at this point. Just mix it until it comes together. Okay, that's perfect. And now we're going to get it into our baking pan. So I've got my glass baking dish ready to go. And now we're just going to get all of this right in there. And I did grease my baking dish. Okay, that's perfect. And I just want to move this around a little bit. Just like that. So now I'm going to bake my banana bread for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. It looks amazing. I'll just give it a little bit of a spin here. It's extremely hot. It just came out a couple of minutes ago. But look at that. Oh, it looks amazing. And the aroma coming off of that, so good. I'm going to let it cool down, and then we'll finish off the video. We'll cut into it. Hey everybody, my banana bread has cooled down, so let's get in here and get a little slice. Oh, look at that. Oh, so nice. Let's get another slice here. Oh, Nice little crispy edge. And look at that on the inside. Look at how moist this is. Look at this. Oh, amazing. Look at this. I'm gonna go in for a little bite. That is so good. I can't tell you how good this is. Pour yourself a nice cup of coffee or tea, have a couple of slices of this, and life is good. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm over there at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another piece. Look at this. Oh, this is so moist. Wow. Oh, that is good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.